Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today I'd like to talk about 3M Company. We're looking at a trading view chart on the daily time frame. I think resistance is right here. If that's the case, it's likely that it's going to go down to about 150, 149. Probably going to trade in this range here. 3M is a very diversified and robust company, but it's a boring company. And right now we're in an environment where everything is going up and we are all optimistic and the stock market is at its all-time high. I think I want to short 3M. Technicals say it's going up. This is the MACD. I use that a lot. And that is calling for a long. Looks good. This is the RSI. Normally when it goes above a 70 and comes back around, that's a indication that maybe it's going to be a little pullback. And if you see here, it went above the 70 and came back down around, and it's pulled back a little bit. And I think the same thing's going to happen again here. Now, we got a risk here, and that is earnings. Earnings are occurring at the end of July. The technicals say buy. The analysts say, hey, buy this thing. But we're only going to see a 3% or 4% increase over the next year, up to 159. So if I can find something to trade this short that I'll win below 159, maybe out to October, which is well past the earnings here, I think I might do it. Let's see if we can find an option play expiring around October. That'll give me a percentage of win that I'm acceptable to me. This is just a short video. Don't have time to go into all the products 3M makes, but they do make a lot of safety products for industry, cleaning products, paper products, products for electronic, lots of products for firemen. So they're into a lot of things. But again, boring. Their products are in homes and factories. There's tech-based, a lot of tech. And this company's been around for 100 years. They make a lot of signage for the roads and Band-Aids, air filters, and I said cleaning supplies. They're everywhere. So I think it's going to come down to about 149, 150, about 149, somewhere in that area. But if we could find something, if it stays below 170, do you think 3M's going to get up in this area here? Let's see. This is a tool. It's free, called Option Strat. And what you do, you give it the ticker symbol, their expiration, and it gives you some options. You can go ahead and optimize it and gives you some options. But we're trying to find something that if it stays below 170, it'll give us some kind of win. And by the way, the chance of profit for this one is around 70%. 70% is very good. As soon as you execute this trade, you're going to get about $370 in your pocket. But the margin that you require for this is the problem, 1,700. And you could, if you don't watch this, you could end up losing a lot. But again, do you think it's going to get above 170? So the risk for me, I don't think it's going to get past that. So if it stays below 170, in fact, if it gets to 149, where I think it's going to be, this is my win line, right in this area here, right there. And you probably could execute this thing and get out earlier. The win line's right here. All this green. If it goes down even further, but I don't, it's a strong company, so how far is it going to get? I just don't think it's going to get above 170 by October. Remember, we still have the tariffs, and that caused some issue. And also, I've been reading a lot about Trump and Powell. That'll cause some disruption in the market as well. This is called a naked call, and a lot of people don't like to do that. And I don't have a lot of these kind of trades in my portfolio. But a stable stop like 3M, which I don't believe is going to move that much one way or the other, I'm comfortable. What do you think of this trade? Is this worth the risk? $200-300? Will it stay below 170? Will it get down to in this area here? What's your assumption for 3M Company? Is this a resistance right in this area? Or do you think it's going to go higher, like the analysts do? Another $5. And are you worried about earnings? Those are all the risk factors. Let me know in the comments. Remember, do your own due diligence. There's many, many trades like this. Many, many stable companies that have reached their level of resistance. You just got to find them. 3M is one. Happy trading.